Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back. So the Galaxy Note 9 will be unveiled either on 2nd of August or 9th of August, and most probably it is 9th of August in New York. Now, the news we lately got about the Galaxy Note 9 aren't the best ones. Samsung is not changing the design, which I don't have any issues with by the way. They're also using the same cameras as the Galaxy S9 Plus and not much worthy upgrades from the Galaxy Note 8. But hey, wait up. This one is a really good news for the Galaxy Note 9. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy Note 9 will pack 4000 mAh of battery. And you know what? He's 100% sure about that. Oh man, 4000 is big. One of the biggest in any flagships. The Galaxy Note 8 for that matter had 3300 mAh and Galaxy S9 Plus has 3500 mAh. I haven't used the Galaxy Note 8 so I can't say for that, but in the Galaxy S9 Plus, the battery is, you can't say bad exactly, but it's not the best either. So 4000 is much bigger and better than what we had on the Galaxy Note 8. And do you guys remember the 512GB version of the Galaxy Note 9? It will be available in China and South Korea. It always happens. There is always a limited edition for China and Korea. And if you guys remember, there were also rumors that Galaxy Note 9 will feature an extra button, because some cases showed this extra button-like structure and everyone was like, woo, that's an extra button. Oh man, a dedicated camera button like Sony phones. So no, that's not a button. That's just two holes used to attach, wristband. It's no button. I knew that it's not a button, that's why I didn't make a video on that. But this seems like a right time to clear that it's not a button. So guys, the Galaxy Note 9 will pack a hefty 4000 mAh battery. I just hope that it don't blow up on our faces. Bad joke, right? Yeah. Let me know guys what you think about this battery upgrade. Make sure to subscribe for every Galaxy Note 9 update and I'll see you all soon. Peace out.